This man is annoying the person above him terribly. The worst annoying possible at 2:30 in the morning. The bloke above hates us. We're hoovering the ceiling. The bloke hates us, so we'll hoover his ceiling to make the noise worse. Do more hoover ceilings. More. This bloke must hate us. Easy. Ed, do you reckon the man hates us?
I good. Oh yeah, I really good.
What are you doing now?
I don't know, but like it's sucking me really well.
This man seems to be putting a hoover on his willy. It is 2:30 a.m. Oh, there's my skating.